Hi traders, greetings. So today is 12th of June 2020. We are now live the trading for the crude oil market. So based from the current position, we have short sell the market at 33 for September contract 2020. I'm changing contract today and looks good so far. So the targeted TP, which is at 30.24, so we almost hit a TP target. So it was a good profit, not much but a good profit. It was an easy one. Alright, so I'm exiting for, I think this one can liquidate. Yeah, it was a good one. So so we did enter at for example here 23.75. I think the slippage maybe due to the slippage, and it was exiting at 30.23, and I'm entering at, let me take a look. I'm entering at 30.32. Yep, and exit at 9 points. Yep, about 9 points. So if you enlarge it, this is a 9 points price movement. So it was a good trade. 9 points. A bit chaos today because I'm changing the contract because my broker automatically change all the contracts, so I need to match everything. Also in my live Telegram channel I already sent out the signal, and as you can see we're already in a good profit. Yeah, perfect. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. It's a 9 ticks, small profit, not much because I'm trading micro today. So yeah, 9 points for each market, as well for the Russell 2000. So I'm changing contract, so that's why I'm using a small amount first. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next week. Thank you. Bye bye.